Alrighty. Good morning. Need to redesign my warrior layout so I can better off see the chat room. If I do that. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Alright, more adjusting to be had. But the chat room's been way up in the corner. And I don't really ever pay attention to it. I do. In a sense of just looking up at it. But might be beneficial to have a profitable trader tab open along with everybody else. Everyone that's learning. Calling out random things, calling out. I mean, a lot of the stuff is good, but it's just. I think that has something to do with I would just jump into things in the past, so I almost pushed away the chat room. Looking at the chat room, seeing a bunch of people up, I guess was a thing for me before. Like, almost jealousy, right? Jealousy would be one of them. That's one of the reasons why I most likely stopped looking at the chat room. Seeing everyone up while I'm losing. Not anymore. It's I don't know. Don't really know where I'm going with that. I just wanted the chat room more closely so I could see it. And now I set it up for verified profitable only. Yeah, I don't know how some of the traders are like. I mean, a lot of the time it's I mean, we have a lot of downtime, but how, like, people get in the trade and they type it out, and it's like, how are you doing that? How do you have the ability to do that? It's just, it's so incredible to me. It's so incredible. Like, when I'm in a trade, it's like almost like I am so zoned, and that might be because it's still the early years of my career, right? So the hyper focus is probably still in need of hyper focus versus less intuitive. Right now I'm training the intuition, right? The intuition has to be trained and tuned. And then once your intuition is trained and tuned, ooh, buddy, do things become a lot easier. But you also have to get over the imposter syndrome. And then all the other, not over them, but you have to be aware of the emotions that are going on, right? You don't want to start getting too overconfident when you go on too long of a green streak. Then you can make a mistake, and then not necessarily a mistake, but a bigger loss than normal, which is the ongoing pattern that I have. And I will have too big of a loss, or I had too big of a loss before, after a lot of green days. My green days are a little bit smaller because I'm taking it off the table. So the things in working progress are taking it off the table before anything bad, right? If it starts going the opposite way, I'm just out right away and keep it tight. But if it is working, being able to take half off the table and go from there. Yeah, I'm not going to force a big winner, right? Where I can actually ride at 20 cents. But I would really like to get myself in positions where I can do that. Acquisition. Okay, well, okay. Got some lines, got some points. Does this break through VWAP and then retest it? Nope. Nope. 102 is the VWAP. As it comes back above the VWAP. Should have went, in my eyes, immediately. Breakthrough VWAP, through 103, 105, up to 110, pull back. But it went 102, 103, just one over it. Hidden seller, back down. So does it get through 103? Not here to play games, man. I ain't here to play games. None of your VWAP games. I'm not here to play no games. False breakout at the VWAP. That's not ideal. Big orders at 102, 103, 104, and 105. The biggest at 105. I'd say it's safe for me to take a sip of coffee. Big buyer on the bid. Deleted. Wasn't that big, but 20,000 shares, but which can go very quick with a 21 million shares of volume. So it's probably zero, like not even remotely big. Yeah, I don't even know how. Like talking is hard enough with people with doing day trading. I don't. I really don't know how people are just like, I'm in. I'm in those. It's like, how do you manage that and like the hotkeys? Good for whoever's doing it, but jeez Louise, bro. It's so. It's so impressive. I mean, maybe it's not as hard if it was on the same computer. I have two different computers, so the chat room's on a different computer. So I don't want any extra stuff running on my actual day trading computer. Then I'm already powering 3 monitors off one laptop, so it's like can't really get too much more out of it. And then I got the laptop and another monitor. Five-minute flag underneath VWAP. What you got? Internet needs Rambo. 4 minutes to the bell. And I have to go to the restroom. Okay. Be right back. move back through VWAP. Dip down to 95. That's awesome. 103. This dip trade down to 95 was nice. The hell was that? I always hit that puppy at 95. I didn't get filled. But that would have been good. That would have been good. SPRC. Dip off of 695. I almost got that immediate surge back up to 710. Wouldn't take it this time though. It would have worked. Would have worked really well. Wow. Would have worked really, really well. Okay, up to VWAP, back below. Can we play the death metal music? People are getting these nice bounces off the lows. I am just hanging out. chilling under VWAP. Not really too concerned if it blows through it. Well, I feel FOMO, maybe, but I just don't like VWAPs. It would probably be a nice setup through VWAP. You ready to play the pachoo? Pachoo. I'm pretty thinking everything's gonna die, weirdly. I should start looking at the positive side. Knowing the stock is gonna roll over. It's beautiful. I mean, it's just beautiful. It is just beautiful. People can try this dip again, but dude, right off of VWAP. Right? To the penny. To the penny. To the penny. To the penny. Right? Dead. Halt down. Halt down. Halt down. Halt down. I will maybe buy if it's a false halt. That's a super, super, super risky thing to do. Does it real halt? That is a real halt. That is real. It's as real as it comes. The real spiel. There is room to make money in there. That dip off of 95, man, that would have been so clean. Oh my goodness, would that have been clean. Right up to 731, right? 95 to 31. That's close to a snag. That was close to that snag, right? It starts out with seeing all of the opportunities, and then it goes to getting smacked a bunch of times, and then it goes into seeing all of the fears, and then when you can see the fears and not be scared and react on what's coming, then that's good. This is the cup and handle. Where's the handle? Handle at VWAP would be sick. Didn't go. Where's the handle? Where's the handle? Tempting. Big tempting, but wait a minute. should have waited. $20. And play it. So, new mandatory training is going into play. I'll be playing more video games for hand-eye coordination and recovery. I been pushing off the video games. Not really pushing off. I just haven't been having fun. All I want to do is day trade, right? But I can't live to day trade. I cannot just, I cannot just study all day and then expect myself to be always amped up, right? I can't drill studies. I gotta section it out, right? Just like how I section out day trading, I gotta section out study time and then chill time. Like there has to be a big portion of my day where it's chill time. But as long as I'm still getting consistent progress, if I'm watching my mentor in the morning, doing the day trading, no matter what. After that, doing a study session. After that, then rewatch my video. So that's a handful of things of improvement. Now I need a handful of things of relaxation. They go hand in hand. They must be in balance. And that's just silly talk, but I think overall, for the benefit of my overall health, having more chill time. That's also productive, right? Video games aren't just unwinding. Video games are like fast-paced shooters and stuff like that. That's training your hand-eye coordination. That's training your reflex time. All the automatic system, right? After it's been tuned, it's easy to tune into a video game. And then access the same type of state of mind that I do within day trading. So even when I'm playing video games, right? The same state of mind, the same awareness, same slower breathing. The calm, the clear. As of right now, I am down $2.24. So it's break even, break even, break even. Plus 2 cents, plus 2 cents. Give back 2 cents, give back 2 cents. Give back 1 cent, give back. Yeah, give back 2 cents, give back 1 cent. Which puts me negative. Give back 2 cents, give back 2 cents, give back 2 cents. So that's 6 cents that I gave back. And then 5 cents that I gave back. Not a big deal. You know, I made $5 and then risked it at a dangerous area. Above VWAP, right? Waiting for this candle to make a new high. It never even made a new high and it just rolled over. But this right here, 1, 2, 3, new high. It can be 2 candles of pullback and then a high. It could be 1 candle of pullback and then a high. But yeah, so I have a higher accuracy in days of being green. But overall, my losers are still bigger than my winners, which keeps me at losing money, right? It makes it harder. So this is why this practice has been going forward where I'm cutting it. You know, the metrics don't make me, but the metrics show me who I was. I am always making the metrics. I can't get in the state of the opposite the metrics make me. I make the metrics through conscious awareness of what goes on that board. That is the difference. I would get caught up in the metrics. My metrics, and once you have a good amount of trades built up, it takes a longer period of time to adjust those metrics while doing good trades. So going week by week by week, right? This is the difference. I'm making the metrics daily. The metrics remind me of what I do daily. But they don't necessarily reflect where I'm going, if that makes any sense. Like, I'm always going to be improving. There'll be a point, right, where the metrics level off after, 10,000 trades. I'm only at 200 trades right now, like total. So it's like, and then, most traders, when they're trading the volume that I've traded in an entire year in an afternoon, right? Because I am in a cash account, which is harder. You want to build your skills, go to a cash account. Which I'll probably be doing multiple cash account adventures later on, just to show the benefit of it. Of really having to slow everything down. Oh, it's like slowing it down to speed it up, like what I've said before. Because this stuff is moving insanely fast, and my reaction time is what is saving me, right? My awareness of what potentially the outcome could happen, and then get out, right? But how am I aware? How am I aware that this is going to happen, right? How have I somehow magically developed an ability to determine whether or not the stock is going to drop or not? And that's from so many hours of screen time and so many hours of pain. Lots and lots of pain. Going through those whippers. Deer in the headlights. Watching my price drop. Not getting out. Seeing, the frustration, the buildup, everything along those lines. All right, so break above VWAP on SLDB. Does it hold? Do you hold, sir? Now it's just about, right? The fearful mind is very aware now of what is out there. And I listen, right? I listen to what could potentially be coming. Now the opportunity mind, I need to listen to. Through the central mind, being still, hearing and feeling the potential risks, hearing and feeling the potential profits, right? This is the practice. This is a deeper practice. This is an emotional awareness practice. And you're not going to get through this without emotional awareness. You will not. Trust me. not make it out of here alive. And you're not even, your goal isn't even to get out. Your goal is to stay in. You're not trying to get out. You're trying to stay in for as long as you can. Yeah, over 80 was the move. Did it begin to pick up? Letting us run just a little. Letting it go the wrong way. Happy to take it out at 83. I got in at the top, bro. I thought it was gonna go. I got filled at 87, which the high was 88. And then it goes. Does it go? Reverses it off. Reverses off it again. Huge buyer at 80. Does he hold? $88, $89, $90. I don't know why it's not showing my trades, but that's the ongoing battle every day. Show the trades, don't show the trades. What do you want to do for me? What do you want to do? I was in at 83 out of 88. Now that was my one and done setup, but I was already red, so it's like I just trade it with small share size today. I didn't get a good enough cushion to risk for something like that. And that's kind of how I want to play the game. I want to get a cushion, small share size, get feeling good, get a setup. If it works, it works. And if it doesn't, I just risked the small share size. The small share size wins. So I already have a cushion on the day that I feel comfortable with risking to double. Well, really, it triple with 1,000 shares. But anyway. $93. Come on. $90. Should go to $3. Dang it. 96. Second attempt. Yeah, I'm just giving change back. Not a big deal, but really wanted to break out over 3. There it was. 97, 306. Does it hold 3? Super extended, went to 306. I top ticked it. It's always a good feeling to top tick. Holding 3. Above, below, above, below, above, below. I'm good. Alright, well. Down $6. 5 cents. Or a little less than 5 cents. With 200 shares. I don't think I want the dip off VWAP after that much of an intense drop. Not too shabby. Yeah, that was a bad trade. That was a bad one. Not necessarily bad, but 8 cents. I think my fuse is actually running. I think it'll be a red day. Small red day. Unless this wants to do something, but it's been playing around in this range for a while. That wasn't a good trade. That was my fault. Not a big deal, you know? Not a big deal on that one. Getting off of that level would have been nice, though. But still, this is a bear flag. Right, so that gave back my good trade from through 3. 97 to 6. Goodness. I mean, boring day. Holy cow, boring day. I could have lived with that without that last one. The dip off of Dip off VWeb. Off could have lived without this. That was a silly one. That was going right up into resistance. Need to be off here. More sellers, or just avoiding it. Really, just avoiding it. Dead. Avoid. This last trade could have been avoided. Not a big deal. Red $23. So small red day, equal size of my green days. A red day will happen, and I have to prove to myself that it's okay. Because when I have margin, I can keep trading, right? I'm down the 10 cents. I'm down the 10 cents I came in willing to risk. I got a cushion, and I just of only $5, but then ended up being giving that back and going red. Through 90. Back through 90. Back up towards high day. up through 95. Come on now. 91, 92, 93, 95. Skip it. Skip it. Skip it. Skip it. Just go. Take half out. Because it's a smart thing to do. Hey, yeah, that's just, I'm not, nothing's working, right? I'm just not in the areas where it's working. That worked up to 93. I took half out, and then it just immediately rolled. Destiny says it is a red day, and that is okay. Because I went up in share size, up to 200 shares on my hockey orders. And I'm down 10 cents. If that would have worked, that would have worked really well. Through 93, skip above it, right? High was 95, I need to skip above it. But it didn't. It just said, nah, I'm tired. I'm tired. You're tired. Everybody's tired. I'm not in the mood. Not in the mood. So red day. Very, very small. 10 cents. Yeah, I've been very disciplined on calling out the stuff, but it is really, it's really wearing, not getting it. Right? That's the hardest part. Not like I don't understand what's going on, but I understand what's going on. It's just I'm not getting the good areas. This was good. Selling at 3. For else, I might as well. That thing skews it. Let me look at my actual orders. 83, 88, 89, 88. Not a big deal. It is a bummer having that be the end of the green streak. That was a 7-day green streak. So, end the green streak, little pullback, come back tomorrow. And find something better. This trade could have been avoided as a bear flag. This trade was fine. But it was riskier. Getting in as it broke VWAP, maybe. It's just I don't. Can't criticize everything, right? I don't want to criticize everything. I'm doing a great job. I'm learning constantly. I'm calling out areas that are dangerous. I'm avoiding areas that are dangerous. I'm getting out just before they roll over. I am here, right? It's just about increasing the skill and then not getting frustrated. Because if I get frustrated, then I'll let something slip. And you don't want to do that. Like, I even let this one slip a little bit. I could tell that I was a little frustrated here. Because I could have sold at 84, but then I didn't, and it slipped. So it's like that amount of stubbornness. So I just need to get in better spots. Alright, we'll get... I need to keep what I'm doing, but stuff needs to work out. I need to aim for down here. Crack of the level, snap. It's a pretty common one. But getting better trades through this area. Not fumbling out. Or fumbling. That was nice. I bought too high on this. I bought off the highs. So I gotta avoid doing that. I do that sometimes. I do that. But red 22. Red 22. Red 22. Okay. Out right before this nasty flush, right? Because I knew it was coming. Alrighty. That's the end of the video. Let me turn the... from green to purple. I hit the wrong button. To red. Not a big deal. Tight red day. It's all part of the business. Scale it up share size. Gonna start hitting some add into the cushion. Going into Thursday and Friday. Red day Wednesday. Have a good day Thursday and Friday. Have a good day the rest of today. For starters. Alrighty. Everyone have a great day. I will be back again tomorrow. I'm gonna hit my study session video game session for reaction time. Alright. That is gonna be it. Have a great day.